Hello everyone, I am Gautami, working as an assistant professor in the Department of ECE, KSR College of Engineering, Tirunelveli. In this video, I give some explanation related to the topic Introductions to Soft Computing. First, we discuss about what is computing. Computing is a process or act of calculation. It uses the mathematical calculation. For computing, it uses computers to manage, process, and communicate information. It includes both hardware and software. So, major computing disciplines include computer engineering, software engineering, computer science, information systems, and information technology. This is the difference between the brain and the computer. So these are different elements compared between the brain and the computer. The elements are processing elements, element size, energy use, processing speed, style of computation, energetic efficiency, fault tolerant, and learns. So these elements are compared between the brain and the computer. The next is the soft computing. It uses the approximate calculations to give imprecise but usable solutions to complex computational problems. So this approach enables solutions for problems that may be unsolvable or just time consuming to solve with the current hardware. Soft computing is sometimes referred to as computational intelligence. It takes a human mind as a role model and it deals with uncertainty, imprecision, approximation. So the tolerance of soft computing allows the researchers to approach some problems that traditional hard computing can't process. So it gives the different solutions when we solve a problem of input from time to time. It is adaptive in nature. So these are some few facts on soft computing, that is tolerance of imprecision, uncertainty, robustness, and low solution cost. So tolerance of imprecision, the result obtained from soft computing is not precise, and in uncertainty it gives different results every time for the same problem. Robustness, it deals with any kind of input noise. Low solution cost, so it makes it feasible to solve some of the problems which could be computationally very expensive if it is solved with the hard computing. These are some advantages of soft computing. So it doesn't call for wide-ranging mathematical formulation. So the need for explicit knowledge in particular domain can be reduced. It uses multiple variables and mostly cost effective, and dependency of expensive traditional simulations can be reduced, and these methods are adaptive in nature and are scalable. So these are some application areas of soft computing, that is image processing, data compression, fuzzy logic control, automotive systems and manufacturing, neurofuzzy systems, decision support systems, system control, and also prediction. The next is hard computing. It is a convolution computing. It requires a precisely stated analytical model. Real-world problems exist in non-ideal environment, but many analytical models are valid for only ideal cases. So many contemporary problems do not lend themselves to precise solutions, such as recognition problems and forecasting, so on. The next is the difference between the hard computing and soft computing. In hard computing, it deals with binary logic and numerical systems and CRISP software, whereas in soft computing it is based on approximation and dispositional. In hard computing, it works on exact data, whereas in soft computing it works on ambiguous and noisy data. So in hard computing, it requires the programs to be written, whereas in soft computing it emerges its own program. So hard computing is deterministic in nature and soft computing is stochastic in nature. The next is artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence manages more comprehensive issues of automatic system. So it manages the making of machines and different gadgets, that enabling them to think and do errands as all people generally do. It is classified into cognitive computing, computer vision, machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, and natural language processing. Soft computing is a computing model. It is evolved to resolve the non-linear issues, and it is classified into approximate reasoning and functional approximation, randomized research. Again, it is classified into probabilistic models, multi-level fuzzy logics, neural networks, and evolutionary algorithms. So the next is the difference between AI and soft computing. AI is the art and science for developing the intelligent systems. Soft computing deals with uncertainty, precision, and partial truth. The branches of AI are reasoning, perception, natural language processing, and the branches of soft computing is fuzzy systems, evolutionary computation, and artificial neural computing. So AI goal is to simulate human level intelligence in machines, whereas in soft computing it aims to accommodate with the perceived imprecision of the real world. So next is artificial network. So artificial network, this is the network of biological neuron. So it has the dendrites, cell body, myelin sheath, and output. The dendrites, the input ranges from x1 to xn, and the output from y1 to ym. So this is a difference between the biological neuron and the artificial neural networks. So the elements here, the inputs and the weighted areas and the summing junction and the activation function, and from the activation functions we get the output. So in the process of training the neural networks, the first is the learning process. We give the input to the neuron network model, and the learning process it gains the knowledge, and in training phase the input is given to the network, and the output we get the predicted output. This is a comparison between the brain neuron and the artificial neural networks. And the next is the types of ANN. We have the different neural networks. These are the types of ANN. The next is the fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic, nothing but fuzzy is not clear, distinct, and precise and blurred. So if the question is asked whether it is a hot water, in Boolean logic the answer is yes or no, but in fuzzy logic the answer varies very much, little, very less, with having different membership values. So these are some examples for the Boolean logic and fuzzy logic. And the next is process of fuzzy logic. The first is input is given to the fuzzifier. It converts the crisp input to fuzzy, and then it is given to the intelligence. The rules is applied to the intelligence, and it is again passed to the defuzzifier. It is again then converted into crisp output. And the evolutionary computation, the initialization is the first process, and next the evaluation, it have the variation selection as the process. The next is forward to the termination condition. These are some components of soft computing, that is fuzzy set theory, neural network, probabilistic reasoning, and evolutionary computing. Fuzzy set reasoning, it deals with uncertainty, and neural networks, learning and adaptation, and probabilistic learning, reasoning and uncertainty. Evolutionary computing, adaptive search and optimization. These are some books that can be referred for soft computing, and some questions are arised for this topic, that is differentiate between soft computing and hard computing, and what is fuzzy logic, what is ANN, and what is evolutionary based computation, and say the difference between biological neuron and artificial neuron, and the difference between Boolean logic and fuzzy logic. So in this video we discussed the introduction to soft computing. I think it is useful for you to understand what is soft computing. Thank you.